And I'm like basically wearing pajamas, but you know, it's cool.
That's fine. I wish I was in pajamas. Hi guys, I'm here with my collab lady. Hey guys, I am here with Raven Elyse TV, and we are part of the Col-Lab Makeup Collective, and we're gonna be doing a collab today where our daughters picked out our makeup from the Col-Lab collection. I feel like I'm doing tongue twisters here. And we're gonna do a little makeup tutorial, so hope you enjoy. Hey Vi, where are we going today?
Austin.
Yep.
We're going to Texas.
Minnie and Mickey. Always. We're going to see Raven and her daughter Ziya. When I go somewhere new, I feel like I have to just like look at the address like 12 times. Ready?
Hi! Come on in. How are y'all?
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Your hair looks beautiful.
Thank you, so does yours.
We need you both to do a special favor for us.
It's very important.
It's very important. We need you both to pick out our makeup for a look that we're gonna do.
Okay.
You think you could pick out my makeup?
Yeah.
Okay, Ziya, you think you can pick out your mommy's makeup? Oh, you know you can.
Yeah.
You were ready.
You're ready with the lipstick.
Put some on.
Lip gloss. You want to put some on too? You want to try this one?
Yeah.
This one's glittery.
You always have your lips.
You go like
You
this?
gotta put your lips out. There.
Oh, there you go. There you go.
Let me see yours. Oh, you both look so
Beautiful.
beautiful.
You saw, we kind of just let them go crazy and pick whatever they wanted out of the collection. Luckily for us, a lot of the collab makeup is very cohesive. I mean, pretty much anything can work together. There's a lot of different ways you can use the different products. So I feel like it's a challenge, but it's not really that much of a challenge.
You got lucky.
I did get kind of lucky. Ziya helped me out. I feel like we were on the same page. Like she wanted to, you know,
Yes.
pick, you know, some matching stuff.
Yeah.
Whereas
Violet definitely loves color, and so I got lots of blues, lots of sparkly things, and so this will be fun.
For my eyeshadow palette, Ziya picked out a nice purple color scheme. This is the Palette Pro eyeshadow palette in First Impressions.
I got Follow Me, which is very bright, and I knew it too because I said, why did you pick this one? And Vi goes, this color right here, which is actually when we first saw all the eyeshadows and were playing with them, that was the color that I was like,
Yeah,
oh my
you
God.
really like that one.
Yeah, so my daughter,
She knows you.
she's like me.
Next up, this is exciting. These are our new highlighter palettes. We have 3 different ones. Ziya picked the super fun, bright one for me. This one is Virtual Glow. It has like a bright gold and a blue and like, you know, so we're getting fancy with this one.
Vi picked Warm Glow for me, which is your favorite.
Yes. Oh.
You know, I can't do a video without dropping something, even in someone else's home. It's inevitable.
These are good because you can use them all over the face. You can use them as eyeshadows because I use these top 2 shades for, you know, my cheek highlighter, but I really like this one.
This one is an eyeshadow.
For an eyeshadow with that darker bronzy color.
That would be beautiful, and it's so shimmery that these would work even just to like that quick like.
It's really quick. So, are you ready to get into this challenge and pull a look together with our choices that our daughters picked for us?
Yes, I am. Let's do it.
So, what do you normally start with? Eyes or finish off your face first? Or
I do eyes. What about you?
I do eyes, and yeah, I do face last because I like to do the highlighter last and have that moment of like the highlighter.
Yes,
so eyes first. You've got some color to work. I got color to work with too.
You have color too, yes.
But I'm gonna go in with the Ultimate Eyes cream shadow first.
Yeah.
Because this works as a really good eyeshadow base.
Yes.
So again, mine is in the shade Pearl Delight, and I'm just gonna go in on the eyelid and literally draw it directly on.
So how do you think it was with the girls meeting yesterday?
It was so cute.
Oh
Ziya is very like shy and standoffish when she first meets anyone. It takes her a long time to warm up, but once they warmed up, they were playing hide and seek and
oh my gosh,
sitting at her little like tea party tables.
I want to get Violet one of those, the thing that's in Ziya's room.
The little canopy.
Yes. I was like, I don't know what it's called, but I felt so bad because I said something about Target and how we went to Target. And Ziya goes, gonna go to Target?
And she kept saying that.
And she was getting upset because she wasn't going to Target.
Okay, so I've got my base on. You can kind of see that cool tone color on there. This is really gonna help these shadows stick, and I'm gonna go in with my eyeshadow palette. Again, this is in First Impressions, and I think I'm gonna start off with this color here. It's kind of a taupey mauve shade. And I'm gonna go in with the Col-Lab Fluffy Blending Brush. And I'm just gonna start by putting this through my crease.
I don't know what I wanna use.
This is fun for me because I'm usually pretty boring when it comes to my eyeshadow looks. I like to stick to neutrals or just gold tones and stuff. So this is like challenging me to play with some color.
Out of the box. I'm gonna take this shade. This is like a very cool duochrome. It's got kind of a green shift in it, which is my jam. I love me a good duochrome. Do you ever think of like people that have to describe shades like on websites and stuff, and how we're here like pinky mauve-ish, it's kind of matte. I feel like I'd be the worst at that. I'm using the same brush.
It's hard to describe color. I was watching a video of a blind person asking sighted people to describe color to them.
How do you do that? Without referencing other colors.
It's like, tell me how it makes you feel, or what does it make you think of, or is it cold, is it hot, is it, I don't know, it's more like emotions and temperatures. And
that makes me think of Inside Out.
I gotta go in with the bright purple that's in this palette. So I'm going to take some of that through my crease as well, kind of more on the outer.
I've used this color before, but never on top of a cream eye colors, and I'm kind of loving that.
It looks so
that shift
pretty.
Is awesome. Since this was the color Violet picked it for, I gotta use a little bit of that one.
I have options for like my lid color. Since I put the cream shadow down, I've kind of got like a silvery gray that was there, but I want to pack something on top of it. So I've got options from my palette, but I've also got the Virtual Glow highlighter palette, which can also be used on the eyes, and I kind of wanna...
You gotta use that blue.
Yeah.
That blue would look so cool, especially on top of purple. That'll, oh, I love blue.
Okay, so I'm gonna go in with that. It's like a dusty baby blue from the highlighter palette, and use it as my lid shade. Let's do this. Ooh.
Oh my god, I am obsessed.
That was like one little like boop.
Yes.
Barely.
Oh, that looks amazing. Oh, I'm kind of
whoa, I'm like shook.
That looks so good. Oh my god, that's my new favorite thing.
I don't know what I was expecting, but
that looks bomb. That looks amazing. Ah!
Whoa, it's like so pigmented. So just imagine like any of these other colors, like especially this gold.
They are really, really pigmented, and they're really, because they can be so versatile, and you can use them like you did, like as a pop of color, or even like that color on, if you had like a purple tone lip, that in the center, bomb.
Little ombre action.
Yes. I'm gonna use this brighter blue and use it kind of in the inner corners, I'm thinking. I'm so like I can't get over it.
I know, but you can't use it because Ziya picked it for me. But now you know, like next time you do your makeup when you get home, you're gonna go straight to this palette.
I'm gonna be using that a lot, yeah.
I don't know what I wanted because I already just went so bold on my lid. So for my inner corner, now I'm jealous of your palette because I need some blue.
Even this one.
Oh yeah, I forgot I had this. Yes. Okay, so yeah, this is perfect. The pigment in the shade Rage. So I'm gonna go in on my inner corner and also probably highlight my brow bone. So with this pigment, it is a loose pigment, so I just like to tap a tiny bit on the back of my hand and then just dip in.
I'm gonna take this bright blue again, and I'm gonna use a little bit of it on the lower.
And I'm taking that same mauve color that I used first.
Pinky mauve color?
Pinky mauve, and I'm going underneath for the lower lash line. Smoke that out just a tiny bit.
Smoke.
So we have eyeliner, my brown eyeliner, which this is new for me because I'm just classic old school. I always use black eyeliner.
Yep.
Or no eyeliner, honestly, because I'm lazy.
I know that life. I'm gonna use my Killer Kohl. This is kind of a
rich chocolate brown.
It's more dark chocolate. Charcoal. Yours is definitely like a Hershey bar.
And yours is like
and
a
mine
very
is like
fancy
an eloquent
89% cacao.
Yes, 89%. Like
but yeah,
I
used mine and I did like a little tiny wing.
Tiny wing. Can you do wings with? You can. I can't. I need a liquid liner.
I used to wear wing eyeliner every single day. That was like my
with
thing.
A pencil.
I did it. I just whatever.
Doesn't matter. Yeah.
Whatever I could get my hands on. That was back when I had like 3 makeup items.
Yeah. Yes.
I think that's it for my eyeshadow. I really like this lid color.
I'm so into that. That's so springy and like fun, like unexpected. Because that color, you don't see that. It just mixed with the purple so well.
I'm taking my mascara that Ziya picked for me. Again, this is the blue one, the Love Your Curves. This is like the Extreme Curl Mascara. It has like a curled wand to it.
That chair really wants to get its like piece in.
I know.
It's got a lot to say.
So squeaky. It's like the SpongeBob boots. You know what I'm talking about?
What?
That episode of SpongeBob with the squeaky boots?
Is it an old one?
Yeah.
I know SpongeBob.
Come on, that's a classic.
I know SpongeBob pretty well. Because I can think of like the fun episode and like the Sandy one where she sings I wanna go home. I wanna go home.
I always thought that was so cool because like
Texas?
she was from Texas and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm from Texas. They never talk about Texas on
TV.
On TV.
Are you a person who always has their mouth open when they do mascara, or have you learned to close it? Because I had to learn to close it.
I think I have my mouth closed. I always like to go back in with a little bit more powder after I finish my eyeshadow and stuff, just to make sure I don't have any like fallout.
Clean it up. I like how I can tell you have like a little wiggle going on.
Stupid stool. Cheeks, we did our bronzer and stuff off camera, but we do have blush.
I have First Base.
And I have Just for Fun.
How do you usually do your cheeks? Do you do like blush, bronzer, highlight? Do you do highlight, blush, bronzer? Like, do you have a way?
I do.
Do you have lash extensions?
I have like 3 of them on right now.
Lashes are always longer than mine.
I'm supposed to have lash extensions, but I picked at them. I'm a horrible person.
Wish I could get myself to do them regularly because they look so, like, it's so nice to wake up and be like,
they
wow.
Look so good, but they're also like annoying.
Especially if you put makeup on regularly. It's like, ugh. But anyways, what order do you usually do?
I do bronzer, blush, highlighter, then blush again.
Then blush. Okay,
to like blend the highlighter.
I think I do blush last because of that.
I should probably just do that.
I think if I'm thinking about it, I do bronzer first, and then I do highlight, and then I do blush. But I know everyone does it like differently, so it's
I think it does make more sense to do your blush after the highlight.
Because it's blending those two colors.
We got a lot of fun options for highlighter.
I got a lot of very warm colors. That's what's scary. Well, everything I have is very cool tone that I don't do.
Oh no.
Oh, okay.
Wait, look at me straight. Yeah, no. I mean, I think at least this one will, if that one blends in nicely to your skin, I know it's not like in the color family, but.
You're right, that one looks a lot better.
Yeah.
Okay.
So since I have like the cool tone, purple, blue, icy, and I'm really tempted to use this gold one just because I love gold, but that's not gonna like match. So I'm gonna go in with this like light pink shade.
You could do this one would actually like really, it would complement the purple on your lids. Like if you did this just a little bit right here because they're contrasting. I mean, you don't have to.
Oh, the yellow in the inner corner?
Yeah, because that would contrast with that purple really, really nicely since they're complementary colors.
True. I'm gonna put a little bit of the pink on my cheekbones first. But this is really pretty. Look.
Oh, I like that. Which one is that?
This one.
That whole palette is so fun.
Like you would look at this in the store and be intimidated by it and be like, that's never, you know.
When Ziya grabbed that one for you, I was like, I know that's out of your comfort zone.
Yeah,
so I was like,
looks like it's very intimidating, but it's really not. I mean, look how you can
gorgeous.
use it on the eyes, and this is actually
That's beautiful.
wearable.
I love it.
It looks like it might not be wearable, but it is.
You have to just get out of your comfort zone, really, because it is a palette where you look at it and you're like, especially that blue, because it's marketed as a highlighting palette.
Yeah.
You see that and you're like,
you're thinking, I'm not going to put blue on my cheeks, but
then it looks really, it doesn't have to be on your cheeks.
Use it on your eyes, and then it's festival season anyway, so put it on your cheeks.
Put it all over your face. Yes.
Go to Target with it on your cheeks.
Go to Target.
Do you.
Yes.
But yeah, that's it. I like how it looks with the eyes.
That looks really nice. I'm excited with how yours turned out. I know it's out of your comfort zone, but it's gorgeous.
See, you learn something new
Stunning.
every day. What is the quote? The best things happen when you step outside of your comfort zone or whatever. Zone.
RQOTD.
New hashtag on my Instagram.
Okay, I'm using this lip pigment and top it off. I'm gonna, back it up.
A little goes a long way.
A long way. We're gonna take this in Easy Glowing. We're gonna...
You don't need a little mixy.
Little mixy. I'm just gonna ruin the wand. It's good.
It's okay.
It's fine.
You can wash it, honestly.
Yep.
You could, if you take a separate like lip brush, you could also do it like
yes.
But we're savages, so.
Yep. I could just imagine someone watching this being like, oh, come on.
So, I was gonna go into my inner corner with the yellow like you suggested, just to make this
I'll just like a little.
I
think it would be so pretty.
Ooh.
Yes, I love it.
She knows what she's doing with the color.
That palette, that duochrome palette is bomb.
So my last step is going to be my lips, and Ziya picked out the gloss in the shade Whatever. It's like an everyday pinky, everyday color. Pinky everyday. We're so good at describing colors.
Pinky, everyday, glossy.
Your lips but better type of color.
Yes. I love whoever came up with that. It saved me a lot of times.
Thumbnail. Toddlers pick our makeup. Are we done?
I think I'm good.
We look cute. We have to do the ending montage poses.
The like
beauty guru.
Yes.
Hair flip. My squeaky chair is like ruining the vibe.
It adds so much to it. So here's our finish. Oh, I just like flinged my hair out into this space.
Here's our finished look.
This was a lot of fun. I think we did our kids justice. I'm so proud of you because I know when Ziya
is proud of you. Did you guys hear that?
I know when Ziya picked this one, like I could see Raven's face and she was like,
I was like, oh no.
She wasn't, but you did so good. Looks amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you had fun watching us. We had fun.
This was fun.
Yeah, make sure you subscribe to Raven's channel. She does so much cute stuff. Ziya is in so many of her videos. It's amazing. And subscribe here if you haven't. You know, we'd love to have you. Make sure to like this video, give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And I'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.